I am Super Jack. I have special powers today.
Wow, you look so funny, Jack. Are you a superhero?
I am Super Jack. I have superpowers to help everyone today.
Breakfast is ready. Come eat, everyone.
I made your favorite pancakes.
Good morning, Mom and Dad. I am Super Jack, and I am here to help. Let me help you with this. I am strong like a hero. Oops, it spilled everywhere. I am so sorry, Mom. Super cleanup power. Look at my magic cape. I cleaned it all up.
Where are my glasses? I cannot find them anywhere.
I am using my super X-ray vision. I can see through anything, Dad. My X-ray vision worked. I found your glasses, Dad. Super Jack saves the day again.
Jack, can you help me reach my teddy bear? It is too high on the shelf.
Here you go, Anna. I got your bear. Are you okay now, little sister?
Thank you, Jack. You are a really good brother.
What else can I help with today? There must be more things to do for my family. This is my biggest mission yet. I am going to clean the whole house with my super vacuum power. Here I go, everyone. Watch Super Jack clean the house. Whoa! What is happening? The cord is grabbing my leg!
Oh no, I am so sorry. The plant fell, and it is all my fault.
The cat! Wait, do not run away. It is okay. I am very sorry for making this mess. I just wanted to help like a hero. I did not mean to make trouble.
It is okay, Jack. We love you.
You tried to help, and that is very sweet.
Accidents happen.
Listen, is that the cat? It sounds scared. Something might be wrong outside.
The cat is stuck. It cannot come down. We have to help.
I cannot reach. The branch is too high. I am sorry, little cat. I have an idea. I know exactly what to do. Let me save the cat like a real hero. We need the big ladder from the garage. I can climb up and get the cat. I am the lightest and fastest. It is okay, little cat. I am here to save you. Do not be scared. I got you! I got you, little cat! You are safe now! We did it! I saved the cat! Look, everyone, the cat is safe! Jack is a hero. You saved the cat. You are our superhero.
Thank you, Jack. You are so brave and kind. Helping others makes you a real hero every day.
To Super Jack, the bravest, kindest hero in our family. Hip, hip, hooray!
Look, Jack, I drew you as a superhero saving the cat. You look so brave.
I love it. This is the best gift ever. You are the best sister in the world.